According to the dictionary, the definition of art is the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form such as a painting, sculpture, or producing works to be appreciated primarily for their beauty or emotional power. And there you go.
Well, we're always thrilled because Liz Bushong decorates our place, but did you know she's decorated the White House several times, and this year, the Vice President.
And it's a new catchphrase around here.
Yes.
You need to Liz Bushong that. And she's here today to tell us all about it.
You guys. Amateur means, the definition of amateur is true love, not in a sexual context, but in creating something beautiful that you can share that has heart, and your heart is in it because you're giving it. And a lot of people think that crafters are amateurs. Well, amateur is a beautiful word because it means love.